आप लोग क्या करते हैं जब आपको बहुत प्रेशर फील होता है, जब आपको लगता होगा कि कुछ अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, या आपको अपना रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी तो फुलफिल करना ही, यू कैन नॉट रन फ्रॉम योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज एंड यू नो दैट यू हैव अ फैमिली टू रन, you have your tasks to do and you cannot run away from those things. आपको डेली आपका रूटीन वाइज चलना ही होगा, बट समवेयर यू फील कि कुछ अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है एंड यू डोंट फील लाइक डूइंग एनीथिंग. सो एट दैट टाइम व्हाट यू डू, लेट मी टेल यू व्हाट आई डू. maybe you can relate with this and maybe it helps you also. So what I do is, मैं तब ना कुछ ज़्यादा सोचती नहीं हूँ, बिकॉज आई नो कि मैं जैसे ही सोचने लगूंगी कि what pressure I have or why I am not feeling well, why I am not feeling like doing anything, जैसे मैं सोचने लगूंगी ना, I will start overthinking. And I don't know, तब मेरा माइंड को अगर मैंने एक बार वो छूट दे दी सोचने का, then it will think of whatever has not happened also. So मैं तब क्या करती हूँ, मैं कुछ नहीं सोचती हूँ, मैं जस्ट चुपचाप बैठती हूँ, मैं जस्ट भगवान का नाम लेती हूँ and I just tell God that this is my situation and I will keep on doing whatever I am doing. I will keep on doing my part of responsibility. I will keep on working. I'll keep on working on it. And I just leave it to God. मैं just चुपचाप बैठ जाती हूँ, मैं कुछ नहीं सोचती हूँ, because I don't think that time is the best time to think. Because already मैं over pressure हूँ, बोल के ही मैं कुछ नहीं कर पाती हूँ तब. As I am over pressure from before, as I am already not feeling well, so that time is not the correct time to think. Think of other options. Think of any better things, any better options. So at that moment, just sit in one place. आपका पूरा ध्यान, आप अगर कोई भगवान को मानते हैं उन पे दीजिए and just relax. भूल जाइए. You will see that you find peace. You will find peace. थोड़ी देर बाद you will feel better. आप फिर से अपना काम करने लगेंगे, whatever you are doing, your tasks, and then later you will try to figure out कि क्यों अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था, क्या रीजन था. अगर वो रीजन आप चेंज कर सकते हैं या अगर उस रीजन के लिए कुछ ऑल्टरनेटिव्स है, then it's okay, you can work on it. But if you don't have any other alternate things, or if you do not have any other alternate solution, or you cannot change the situation, it is the way it is and you have to deal with it because it is your responsibility, but not at the cost of your health or not at the cost of your mental peace every time. If it is genuine reason कि हाँ reason genuine है and है बस है, you cannot change it. If it is a genuine reason, then it's okay, we have to continue doing it. But if it is not a genuine reason, if it is out of pressure, out of something negative, then you have to think of quitting it. You have to think of quitting that situation. आपको तब अपने लिए स्टैंड लेना है. But if it is not anything which is toxic or if it is not any negative thing, अगर ऐसा है कि आप नेगेटिव हो रहे थे but the situation is not negative, it is just the way it is, then again whenever the situation comes you will feel a bit demotivated and then again slowly आपका वो ठीक हो जाएगा. For example, if you are taking care of someone who is dependent on you, then you don't have any other solution, right? You have to look after that person. You have to take care of that person. You have to take care of the situation. And then जब भी ऐसा हो, take out some time, relax, अपने आप को time दीजिए. When you feel better, then you start working again.